If you're into music, podcasts, or just love the freedom of moving around without the hassle of wires, you've probably heard about in-ear TWS, True Wireless Stereo, earphones. These awesome little buds are completely free from wires. No tangles, no ties, just pure wireless bliss. You pop them in your ears, and you're good to go. How they work: these earphones use Bluetooth to connect to your device, which means no cables connecting the earpieces to each other or to your phone. Each earpiece receives its own audio channel, giving you that sweet stereo sound. Here are some of the key features to look out for. Battery life: most TWS earphones will give you a few hours of playback, and their cases double as portable chargers. 1. Sound quality: though tiny, many have impressive sound quality with solid bass and clear trebles. 1. Noise cancellation: perfect for tuning out the world and losing yourself in your favorite tunes. 1. Fit and comfort: with various sizes of ear tips, you can find the perfect fit to keep them secure during even the most intense activities. 1. Fit and comfort: with various sizes of ear tips, you can find the perfect fit to keep them secure during even the most intense activities. You've got a whole host of features that can make or break your listening experience. From sound enhancements to hassle-free connectivity, and not forgetting battery life, each aspect plays a vital role. Your TWS earbuds are more than just miniature speakers. They're fitted with technologies designed to immerse you in pristine soundscapes. Active noise cancellation, ANC, is a game changer. It uses onboard mics to reduce unwanted background noise, allowing you to focus solely on your tunes. For audio buffs, seek out models that support high-definition codecs like aptX or AAC to make sure you're hearing the music just as the artists intended. The heart of your wireless earbuds functionality lies in their Bluetooth pairing process. Advanced TWS earbuds enable swift auto-pairing, meaning your device connects the moment you pop the buds out of their case. To keep things running smoothly, compatibility with your smartphone's operating system, whether it's iOS or Android, is crucial for features like virtual assistants and touch controls. Look for the latest Bluetooth version to ensure the best range and stability. Nothing kills the vibe like your earbuds dying on you mid-song. Fortunately, many TWS earphones come with substantial battery life. Some last up to 8 hours on a single charge. Plus, their carrying cases double as power banks, often offering multiple full charges. And if you're often on the go, check for a fast charge feature. Some earbuds boast a significant amount of playback from just a quick 10-minute charge. Visit EliteDealsOutlet.com for more details.